أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه فيقول هاؤم اقرءوا كتابيه إني ظننت أني ملاق حسابيه فهو في عيشة راضية في جنة عالية قطوفها دانية كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما أسلفتم في الأيام الخالية. وأما من أوتي كتابه بشماله فيقول يا ليتني لم أوت كتابيه ولم أدر ما حسابيه يا ليتها كانت القاضية ما أغنى عني ماليه هلك عني سلطانيه خذوه فغلوه ثم الجحيم صلوه ثم في سلسلة ذرعها 70 ذراعا فاسلكوه إنه كان لا يؤمن بالله العظيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فليس له اليوم هاهنا حميم ولا طعام إلا من غسلين لا يأكله إلا الخاطئون. فلا أقسم بما تبصرون وما لا تبصرون إنه لقول رسول كريم وما هو بقول شاعر قليلا ما تؤمنون ولا بقول كاهن قليلا ما تذكرون تنزيل من رب العالمين. ولو تقول علينا بعض الأقاويل لأخذنا منه باليمين ثم لقطعنا منه الوتين فما منكم من أحد عنه حاجزين وإنه لتذكرة للمتقين وإنا لنعلم أن منكم مكذبين وإنه لحسرة على الكافرين وإنه لحق اليقين فسبح باسم ربك العظيم.
So as for he who is given his record in his right hand, he will say, Here, read my record. Indeed, I was certain that I would be meeting my account. So he will be in a pleasant life. In an elevated garden, its fruit to be picked hanging near. Eat and drink at ease for that which you have sent on before you in days past. But as for he who is given his record in his left hand, he will say, Oh, I wish I had not been given my record, and had not known what is my account. I wish my death had been the decisive one. My wealth has not availed me. Gone from me is my authority. Allah will say, Seize him and shackle him. Then throw him in the blazing fire. Then into a chain whose length is 70 cubits insert him. Indeed, he did not use to believe in Allah, the Most Great. Nor did he encourage the feeding of the poor. So there is not for him here this day any devoted friend. Nor any food except from the discharge of wounds, none will eat it except the sinners. So I swear by what you see and what you do not see, that, indeed, the Quran is the word of a noble messenger. And it is not the word of a poet, little do you believe. Nor the word of a soothsayer, little do you remember. It is a revelation from the Lord of the worlds. And if Muhammad had made up about us some false sayings, we would have seized him by the right hand. then we would have cut from him the aorta. And there is no one of you who could prevent us from him. And indeed, the Quran is a reminder for the righteous. And indeed, we know that among you are deniers. And indeed, it will be a cause of regret upon the disbelievers. And indeed, it is the truth of certainty. So exalt the name of your Lord, the Most Great. Qaf. These letters, Qaf, etc., are one of the miracles of the Quran, and none but Allah alone knows their meanings. By the glorious Quran.